In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams for meetings and video conference calls. Whether you're joining remotely from home or connecting from the office, understanding how to efficiently utilize Microsoft Teams can help streamline your communication and collaboration efforts. Let's walk through each step to get you set up and running smoothly. First, the initial step is all about logging into Microsoft Teams. On your preferred browser, navigate to the Teams login page. Here, an easy-to-use interface will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, a hub for all your Teams activities. This is where you'll be able to initiate or join any meetings. Now, to kick things off with a video conference, take a look towards the top right of the screen and locate the video icon. Clicking on this icon will open up the video call options. Here, you can either start a video call right away or get ready to schedule one for later. It's designed to be intuitive, so don't hesitate to explore the options available. Once you click the video icon, next up is obtaining a link that will allow others to join your meeting. On the screen you should see an option labeled Get a Link to Share. Clicking this option will generate a unique link. Think of this as your meeting's key code, providing access for participants who receive it. This link can be a convenient way to invite others to join the conversation. After generating this link, you'll need to distribute it to your meeting participants. Microsoft Teams gives you a straightforward method to get this done effectively. There's a button labeled Copy Link that will save this link to your clipboard. You can paste it into an email, a chat message, or any other communication tool you frequently use. Alternatively, if you're looking to share directly via email, Teams has you covered there as well. Next to the copy link option, there's a share via email feature. Clicking this will allow you to send the meeting invitation directly from your email client, along with any additional details or instructions you may want to include. Finally, when you're ready, let's get the meeting started. You'll notice the Start Meeting button on your screen. Clicking on this button initiates the session, welcomes your participants as they join, and officially begins your video conference. Sit back and connect with your team seamlessly. And there you have it. You're now equipped to use Microsoft Teams to its full potential, hosting meetings and video calls with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial both informative and empowering. Happy connecting, and see you in your next Microsoft Teams meeting.